This should be a rather easy matchup. Okay, top lane's a pretty free matchup for Darius. I think. I'm pretty sure. He just obliterates Urgot. Am I against Rakan mid? I just smurfed on that nerd. Question is, what will he do with this wave? Will he play correctly and attempt to freeze this and wait for a jungle gank? Or will he shove in the wave with his W? This guy's gank setup seems really good. Wait, what? How'd that miss? How the hell did that miss? Okay, here, the only explanation I can come up with. This is the only explanation I can come up with. My Q followed Warwick and it hit him. And the stun expired like the frame I ulted. To give off the illusion that I like used an ability but missed. That is the only explanation I can come up with. Damn. Stop greeting, dude. This is the shit we're losing to. This is actually realistically the shit that we're losing to. Trash. The hell is just Jin doing? No. Not enough range. This gets me Archangels and it's Sorks, which is incredible. Looking kind of like a mid-diff. Silas, what are you doing? No, 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 no. Getting out, apparently? Wait. Okay.
So far, Adam and Jamie have shown just how easy it is to shoot fish in a barrel.
How hard do I have to carry? Get him. Good, now get him. Keep going. Thank you for doing jack shit. Fucking happy that I rotated it when I did, right? Because we got 4 kills off of my death. That was funny. Okay, you can't deny that was funny. Well, MR's balanced. Darius is pushing. Infernal Drake's aggroed onto them. I got him. Game's over. Rakan mid only isn't a troll pick when you're against an idiot. And rest assured, at least I think I'm not an idiot. You fucking wanna fight? Oh no, never mind. There's no way. Wait, thank you. I played that fight so very badly. Okay, got Zaya. Got Warwick. Oh, what? He's alive. He's not alive. That's what I thought. Oh god. Second time I flashed on Rakan. I should have probably just killed Zaya, but what can you do? It's worded, so, and he's behind, so here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna word like so. In general, I consider Lux one of the more balanced champions in the game. Like, dude, I told you that your raptors were gone. I like.
Wait, you did?
Yes, I specifically pointed out to you because I warded this and I saw them aggroed. I knew Kane would invade because you died. Mid's kind of over unless I get a kill on her.
We can either go for the red or. Am I?
Yeah, I mean, there's nothing I can do. You just have too much CC. I got CC. Okay, it says 0 seconds, but that's because it was all slows. Lux is still Mia. Oh, no way. Almost as if I pinged that Lux was Mia.
Okay, set. Okay, king.
Okay, I don't think you win that, dude. No, he does have his punch.
You have a ward on me. If you get that kill, you're huge.
Yeah, I know.
I think we just won the game.
I mean, he's right. I should protect this. Hey, he's doing it. He's rotating.
Okay.
Like, properly. Oh, he's probably top lane, honestly. Whoa, would you look at that? He's top lane. Bot lane's really our only hope at this point, which I never like saying that. Oh, fucking kill her, dude. I think we can kill them together. Did he just completely... Wait, what? Was he seriously faster than my ulti? No, he ran straight through my ulti. Like, through the hitbox of it. You're not killing me. I mean, not now. You're killing her. We got Kane. You got Ezreal.
Nice.
Yeah, he got a bit cocky and ran into Ken and Annie while we both had our stuns up.
I'm coming.
Trash.
Okay. I'm coming up there too. The mental boom, where he gets really cocky. Look, all I need is a couple few good kills. Oh, this is juicy. Give me the juice. Damn it.
I got 2 of them.
I got this guy.
Good job. Yeah, winnable, winnable, winnable.
You did.
I mean, this guy keeps giving me shutdowns.
Hey, drag gets up, by the way.
I'm aware.
What do you think wins?
Definitely set, or he should win.
I don't have smite.
Oh, you don't? Wait at the Luxie. Fucking god, man. Okay, Kennan's not getting kills, but doesn't matter. I will always say this. CC does not scale with gold, so... I'm not gonna stun until Kane arrives. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, I got it. Get him!
He's out.
No, he's not.
Yeah.
Thank you, Kenan. Kenan and I can carry.
I'm coming to survive.
Well, then. Get shit on! And he doesn't die.
No?
I stunned him. And he doesn't even die. You know, Mordekaiser would have been dead if he had taken one more tower shot. I mean, he's dead. He's dead, but I would have killed him.
I mean, yeah.
I mean, I got Kane. I didn't get Kane. I don't got Kane. Does he have MR?
How sad is that?
Yeah, well. If Kenna hits that, he should be dead. Yeah, he's dead.
I'm at R. I can kill her.
She doesn't have R. It's a bit very greedy. Okay, I mean, it's back up again. Good job. I didn't expect you to actually be able to kill her, but I guess limits tested.
Hey.
Yeah, my...
Oh, right here. I'm here.
Just kill Senna. Kill Senna. Okay, Senna's dead. What are you doing? Okay.
Bring him to us. Oh, what? Yeah, we can't Baron. As long as he's up.
Mordekaiser flashed. Mordekaiser flashed.
Yeah, I noticed.
Oh, you can kill him, you can kill him. Good job, good job. Now kill Lux. Set just runs at her, right? Good job, dude. It's fine. Lux is dead.
Thank God for mute all, right?
I haven't muted all. You mean mute enemy?
Mm-hmm. No, everyone.
Oh. People are actually picking useful stuff. Turn off mute all.
Really?
If you're the problem, you should not be muting all.
Oh, true.
That's only if you want to, like, carry, but you're not in a position to carry. Mordekaiser's dead.
Cross your fingers.
Well then. How the hell did that steal? I literally hard burst it. Whatever. I even used my ult on it. Oh, ooh, good flankle.
Come to me, come to me, come to me, come to me. Dude, we just played Ring Around the fucking Rosie.
I have no clue what just happened. It was the most confusing fucking team fight I've ever team fought.
Guys, I'm afraid that recently the League of Legends community has been overrun by a terrifying disease. Bastard brain.
What are you doing? You cocky piece of shit. It's getting to the point where Kane's kind of useless. Like, no, like, he still deals damage and shit, but, like, they want to end the game right now. Because he's gonna start getting, Nah, but he's gonna... People are gonna start catching up with him just because he can't spend gold anymore. Right? Kane's not one to sell Mobies.
Where's it at? Maybe steal?
It's dead.
We can fight now.
Yeah, we should fight. Before they spend their gold.
Cool.
Kara, Ezreal. Ezreal's over that wall right there. Oh wait, you're dead. Never mind.
In here.
All you need to do is break his fucking...
Shield.
Yeah, exactly. Trying to communicate to not do it because of Lux.
What?
I got Lux.
Ezreal's gonna fuck. Ooh, baby. Ooh,
Get over here.
Oh, baby.
Star Trek.
This is the 4-5.
No, it's not. You deal actually really good damage. By the way, you know all the damage I've been doing? I have 500 AP.
That's it?
Yeah, I have 500 AP. Don't ask questions.
The shield's gone. Motherfucker.
This is what happens if you get overconfident against good players. I mean, good player. I mean, Kennen is a good player.
Ooh.
You know what? It's good enough. We blew some sums, so that's good.
Okay, I'm about to go in.
Oh. You get my stack?
I'm dead. Bye, The greed is real. The greed is real. Is he dead? Yep.
Do it, bitch. I dare you. Do it. Okay, cool.
Wait.
Oh, fuck.
I can, I can do damage. Just like, it dies so quick.
Okay, cool. I have my death cap. Okay, now I'm going to 501 AP to 770 AP. 780 AP.
Hello? I'm coming. There's no anger. If I was there, maybe. Go. Oh my god, we got it.
All planned. No. End mid. If you don't think I carried this game.
I mean, you're the reason we won. Well,
Yeah, exactly. Mid lane differential. I dealt more damage than Ezreal.